Hi, everybody. Welcome to today's part 2 on Padlet. We're going to have a tutorial on how to continue using all the other functions of Padlet. I'm going to start just to recap on what we left before. Remember that you got to go to Padlet. Okay. And then if you don't have an existing account, you got to sign up, click on sign up, enter your information, and you can create your Padlet. If not, you got to log in. I already have an account, so I can go directly to my account. Happy Wednesday. All right, so we're gonna start, we're gonna make a Padlet from scratch. Okay, in this case, I'm going to select a wall. I want to make a wall. You can decide whether you want to create a canvas, a stream, a grid. Okay, I'm going to create a wall. Okay, and in this case, decide where you want to place your different images and things. I want to select, you have options to choose from for your wallpaper. I like this one, the confetti one. So I'll select that one. Then after the confetti, we can decide how we want the letters or how we want the color post. Dark light, doctor light, dark night. Okay, it's up to you. You can decide. I want to select, I like doctor light, and I'm going to select Niagara for my Padlet. I also want to select an icon that would represent the type of Padlet that I'm creating. I'm going to create something related to my vacation. So I like the sun. I'm going to allow people for collaboration options because I like to, I want this to be used for teaching purposes so my students can collaborate and join. I want to allow comments. I want to allow reactions. I want people to be able to say if they like it or not. On the hashtag part, we're gonna, I just wanna, I want to write creative Padlet. Padlet. Then on the tag to maybe vacation. Okay. And you can add, whatever name you want to for your tag. This is your address. This is the address, okay, where you can send this code or link to your students, friends, whoever you want to share it with, and you can invite them to join your Padlet. Okay, great. So on next here, we're gonna do privacy settings. You want to make it private, you can make it private. You can make it public. That's a good option too. In this case, I like the fact that people can write, can view and add posts. They cannot edit though, okay? If you want more collaboration, people can view, add posts, edit, and approve others, okay? So it depends. I like this one. It works for me. This one, if you want to give people a permission before they can post, you can do that. I'll leave that there. Okay. We're going to click on next and it's ready. Okay. So here, now we're going to start creating our Padlet. Okay. So on the bottom right corner, you'll see a plus circle. Okay. It says double click anywhere, drag files, paste from clipboard, or click here to post. You can click here. Okay. You can move it though right now. So let me type vacation. Okay. I'm going to say I love it, or I loved it actually. Right? And you can add whatever description you want. This one, what we're going to do, we're going to Google an image. I want to Google an image. If you want to upload a picture, you can select upload and you can click on it and you can add a picture from your computer. Okay. I show you on the previous video how to do that. So on this one, I'm going to show you how to upload a video from the internet. Here you can type, for example, relax, and there are so many different options, images that you can see here. I love I love this one. This is cool. It's a healthy choice, right? Okay. You could also add, let me go back again. I want to show you, you can also add GIFs here. See, you can add videos from somebody's vacation, or if you already have it up, if you have already uploaded on YouTube, you can just add it there. GIFs, if you want to add any GIFs, just type vacation, all right? Or the web, it allows you to upload wherever, right? I want to upload images. I want to scroll down. Where's my froggy? I don't have my froggy anymore. No, I typed relax, sorry. Relax was the words. I'm gonna look for my froggy. Got it. Okay, so here you have, let me put this a little bit up here so you can see. Okay, so you got your froggy there. And if you want to type something else, you can add a comment here. I was like the froggy. Okay, if that's what you want to do. Okay, and then you can add other comments. You want to click on like. Okay, so this is what we do with images. I want to show you another function. Peace. Let's see, peace. Peaceful place, for example, whatever. Listen to it. Listen to it. Okay, so here you have different options. What I want to show you here is how to add voice or audio to it. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here. You can add voice. Okay, for this one, you have to allow Padlet to use your microphone. So we're going to allow it. You can pause or resume recording anytime. Okay, so we're going to click on it here, and we're going to say whatever you want to say. You can also, if you want to make it also more, let's say, interactive, you can also record what you're describing or what you're typing. If you're typing a story, you can record it there too. That's another good option. I had a really wonderful time in this vacation. I want you to listen to the sound of the waves. Okay. You're done. You can play back and save. You can discard and restart. If you like it, you can play. Let's play it here. I had a really wonderful time in this vacation. I want you to listen to the sound of the waves. Okay. All right. If you like it, you type the title here, the sound of waves, forever, whatever. Okay. The sound of waves. Okay. You save it. It's been saved now, or it's in the process. It says hang tight. Will be done in a jiffy. Okay, so here you have your audio that you added to your Padlet. And one last function that I would like for you to see. Let's see, we can add more Padlet. There you go. If you can't find the little circle here, just double click. Let's see, fun, right? On this one, if you want to snap a picture from your camera, you can do that. Remember to allow Padlet to use your camera. It's starting the camera. Let me place this on the other side so you can see. I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to do it. Hopefully so, because I'm using the camera right now. It may not take it. See, it's taking time to do it. So will you see as a picture of yourself? You'll snap a picture, and same thing, you can upload it on your, no, it's not going to take it. No, I don't think it's going to work. Okay, that's another function. Okay, you can also do what I'm doing right now. You can record your screen. Okay. Oh, this is the last one that I want to show you that is really cool too. You can draw. Okay, let's select this one and you can say with love. With, and then you can see love. Okay, and you can save it. Okay, if you want to draw, sand, whatever you want to do. See, it shows so many different options on how you can use Padlet to make your wall or your creation really stand out. So here is some. These are the basic. Of course, you can play around with it and you can do more if you want to, but this is basically what we could do with Padlet. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I also hope that it helps teachers, students to use this for teaching purposes. All right, so I hope you like it. Have a wonderful evening and see you in another video. Bye-bye.